Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform SET-IIEI. Today, we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called I Am Lucky. The chapter number is 3. This chapter I Am Lucky is from NCERT syllabus class 2 subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called self-created dictionary. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea self-created dictionary? The innovation is to enhance the vocabulary skills of the students, which is related to the concepts in the lesson, by creating a self dictionary. So this is the innovation behind this innovative idea, self-created dictionary. So what is the objective of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concepts of vocabulary through self-created dictionary. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? Now, ask the students in the classroom to read the lesson carefully at home, and also ask the students to note down the difficult words in an old notebook, and also inform the students. You can ask the parents, can ask your family members for the meaning of those difficult words, or you can look into the dictionary for the meaning, and also ask the students to write down the meaning in the old notebook. On the very next day, initiate a discussion among the students about the difficult words and the meaning that they are collected at home, and also appreciate the students to motivate them to use the new words in their day-to-day conversation. So in this way the implementation process goes on. So what are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea? The learning outcomes are the students able to identify characters and sequence of events in a story or in a poem. Also the students able to express verbally by asking questions about the sequence of events and characters in a story. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story. The students able to develop their core life skills, that is critical thinking, creative thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students collect records and interpret simple information. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning process, can improve their learning skills with the help of this innovative idea, self-created dictionary. Experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, self-created dictionary. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel SET-IIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, It's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.